Have you ever wondered just how a grading operation is performed? This video will explain the process. This is a very typical looking grading job. I would say that this operation is textbook. So before we get too far into this, let's take a moment to identify the equipment working on this project. You have three pieces of equipment that are currently moving material. They're called scrapers. These particular scrapers appear to be 657s. One of the scrapers is being repaired, so the D8 is coming in and pushing its partner to help it load. Normally, they hook together and work in tandem. It's called push-pull. The front scraper will load first, while the rear scraper pushes it, and then the rear scraper will load while the front scraper helps to pull it through the cut area. Once fully loaded, they'll go to the fill area and unload. In the fill area, there's an 824 and a water truck. The 824 helps to mix and compact the material, while the water truck supplies the moisture needed to obtain optimum moisture or above in the fill material. This is necessary to achieve the compaction required by the engineer in the soils report. From a soils guy's point of view, these two pieces of equipment are the most important, because if either of them is not performing well, the compaction test will fail, and the material in the fill area will have to be remixed so it can be retested. This takes time and costs the project money. As we continue, you'll see how these all work together. Now you can see the two scrapers in the cut area working in tandem to get loads, and then they'll carry it to the fill area. They fill from one side to the other side. In this case, they're filling from the west across to the east. The scraper working alone is now dumping in the fill area and will then make another round. The two scrapers working in tandem will dump in the same pattern, and the process repeats itself until the fill area is near or above the required elevation. You may have noticed that the water truck made a pass through the cut area without spraying. Caution has to be taken here because too much moisture can cause the tires on the scraper to spin and make loading more difficult. The D8 is also ripping or scarifying the bottom of the cut area to make it easier for the scrapers to pick up material. The three men standing on the far side of the fill area are most likely the foreman of the crew, the grade checker, and the soils guy. I didn't talk to anyone on this visit, but did on other visits to the site. This may seem somewhat boring and monotonous to some people, but not if you have a love for this work or a curiosity about it. Be sure to like and subscribe if you do want to see more material like this.